working in collaboration with BBC Research and Development to produce this work, which is called The Cut Up. It was originally designed for an art festival in London called the Anti-Design Festival with Neville Brody and Research Studios. It's a cut-up, which is a way, it's based on a theory developed by Brian Geisen and William Burroughs as a way of cutting up literature, or literally cutting up books and stitching them back together to re-sew narratives within a certain framework. And what we're doing here is we're cutting together different types of video and audio. In this instance, in the instance that's been displayed here at NEM, we're actually taking feeds from the auditorium itself. So there's cameras pointing out from the work into the space and capturing people travelling through the space. And what the system does is it takes the videos in and organises them into a series of packets. There's about 6 videos operating at any one time. And what you can do is you can actively interact with the videos to move them around the space. And what that's doing is that's pushing not only the videos around on this screen, but also on the larger aggregated object itself, but also it's pushing sound around the installation through the different speaker drives that are here. And here we've built a series of speakers which are in the shape of furniture, which were there again at the Anti-Design Festival the first time around, and it's here again here today. So what they are they're kind of slightly ramshackle sculptural work, which is quite a lot like the work of Charles Lewandowski and Man normally, outside of the partnership with BC Research and Development. And what they're doing is they're a makeshift object which kind of shows a kind of a needs-must, almost kind of cut up aesthetic in their own right. And as we move through the piece, you can see different types of interactions that you can have with the work. As we've done the spin one already. This here, you can select a video and you can fast forward it, and as you can hear on the actual sound system itself, you can hear the bit mapping and granulizing of sound, so you can hear the sound traveling around you, and 360 degrees to the ambisonic sound system, and speeding up and slowing down as you go. If we keep going further on, you can see again more sculptures, sound systems. Again, here you can see the object itself, which was projected at the Anti-Design Festival, but here today it's on the LCD screen as part of NEM. And again, here we are at another screen. And what this is doing is destroying. So what you have is a series of selected videos that operate at any one time, and every 5 minutes one of the videos recycles or destroys itself. Which means it drops on another video which has been taken, recorded at the event, kind of drops in its place. But what you can do as a viewer is you can also, if we wait for a video to appear, you can also either through sound or through interaction create a destroy, which will then destroy the video. And if you watch the structure itself, as you do that, it explodes and collapses into place, and a new video takes place. And then the final thing is a simple face recognition program, which if you move your face around, it will pick up your face, and your face and the camera here and my face here will then change the position of the orb or the object in the LCD screen itself. So what it's essentially doing is it's through using max jitter, C++ on open frameworks, and these sculptural sound systems and the object itself, is producing a way of reimagining film and video through user interaction integration, and be able to move things around and create a very unique experience. In future manifestations of the work, we'll be using different levels of user-generated content. Today we're using entirely user-generated content. Everything's been filmed from the screens themselves. In future we'll be doing things where we'll have more, maybe more of a priority towards using kind of stock footage, stock material, films, documentaries, or something like that. And this is what's been going on today. Here we are. Here we have the cut up from Charles Lewandowski and Man and BBC Research and Development.